Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to back up your external hard drive before formatting. So when you're going to format your MacBooks, your laptops, or anything else, so here is the solution to that. So if you want to save all your files, all you have to do is go to your settings if you're using a Mac OS right here, as you can see. And then we want to go to settings. From there, you want to actually go to your storage. From there, if you have your iCloud or any type of cloud service, you want to store it in the cloud and back it up there. You can do one, you can externally back it up right there. So if you don't have one and you have an external hard drive, which we are talking about, so if you have a backup hard drive, all you have to do is go to Time Machine, or you can search it up by searching up Time Machine right here. And then once you go to Time Machine, as you can see, all you have to do is basically actually just back it up and then add the backup disk, connect that into your MacBook or your Windows if you're using Windows emulating a Mac OS, and then all you have to do is set up the disk, connect it right here, and then all you have to do is once you set it up right there, you'll be able to actually back it up. So now you have a copy of your own OS in your Time Machine. So there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.